Kawasaki is recognized as a legendary motorcycle brand, with many of its most iconic bikes having been produced over the decades. Among them, the Kawasaki Z1000 MK II stands out as a true classic. First introduced in 1978, it was developed as a significant evolution of the Z1 series, featuring a more angular design and an upgraded 1,015 cubic centimeters inline-four engine. Created in response to intense competition in the superbike market, the Z1000 MK II was designed to deliver improved performance, handling, and reliability. Its legacy has endured over the decades, inspiring custom builders worldwide to recreate its distinctive style and performance using modern technology. One of the most notable contributors to this revival is Japan's Doremi collection, which has collaborated with Kawasaki to craft retro-inspired custom builds. Doremi is particularly renowned for its meticulous craftsmanship and high-quality aftermarket parts that transform the Kawasaki Z900 RS into a stunning homage to the Z1000 MK II. Beyond Doremi, custom workshops around the globe have played a key role in keeping Kawasaki's classic aesthetic alive, blending vintage charm with contemporary engineering. As nostalgia-driven motorcycle culture gains momentum, Kawasaki has increasingly embraced collaborations with custom builders, occasionally incorporating their designs into official limited edition models. This growing trend has fueled speculation that Kawasaki may eventually release a factory-built Z900 RS MK II as a tribute to the legendary Z1000 MK II. While no official announcements have been made, Japanese motorcycle magazine Young Machine has teased the possibility with a concept rendering. Based on the modern Z900 RS, this concept pays homage to the Z1000 MK II with a bold blue and gold paint scheme, a boxy rear section, and period-correct side covers. The retro appeal is further amplified by a two-tone seat and blacked-out engine components, capturing the spirit of the past while maintaining modern performance and reliability. Although still speculative, the Young Machine concept hints that a factory-produced Z900 RS MK II Special Edition could be on the horizon. Given the success of Kawasaki's heritage-inspired models like the Z900 RS and Z650 RS, the brand might be eyeing another retro addition to its lineup. If released, the Z1000 RS MK II could attract vintage bike enthusiasts and riders who appreciate the seamless fusion of classic aesthetics with modern engineering.